So here we have another quick video, just so we can have a quick close-up look at some fog lights we do. This is for the BMW E39 and also E46. So this is basically a smoke fog light kit. So this replaces the standard fogs, what's fitted to your vehicle. It's quite a nice kit. It comes with all the height adjuster brackets, so you can adjust your beam height. They're also supplied and fitted with bulbs, which are HB4s. And they also come with a pair of Foglight surrounds, which click into your bumper. These are finished in what I would describe as like a shiny gloss black plastic finish. So these have got all the clips on to clip directly into your bumper. These are fully road legal, they are E-marked, and they are also MOT compliant. So as you can see, they have got a real nice smoke finish to the lens. Overall build quality looks really good. Got really sturdy plastic. What we have is a glass lens, and then also what looks to me like an aluminium backing plate there.